Over the last several years, the cryptocurrency market has been among the greatest performers. The COVID-19 epidemic has also spurred cryptocurrency use. Since 2017, the crypto and blockchain industries have drawn up to $12.4 billion in venture capital investment into American businesses, according to Crunchbase. Most cryptos fared well in terms of performance as well, while several were unable to enter the green zone. So in this video, we have compiled these 15 cryptocurrencies with the poorest YTD return. Check out whether you have invested in any of these coins. 5. Terra USD, negative 0.08%. It is a decentralized, algorithmic stablecoin of the Terra blockchain that was introduced in 2020. It was developed to provide value to the Terra community and has a value tied to the US dollar. The market capitalization of Terra USD, which trades around $1, exceeds $2,026 million. Its all-time high was $1.05 in January 30th, 2021, and during the previous 30 days, it returned 0.01%. 14. Tether USDT, negative 0.16%. It is a stablecoin that was introduced in 2014 under the name Realcoin that tracks the value of the US dollar. Tether promises to keep USDT's value anchored to the greenback. Tether has a market capitalization of more than $61,831 million and trades at around $1. Its all-time high was $1.21 in May 27, 2017, and during the previous 30 days, it returned negative 0.05%. 13. Paxos Standard, PAX, negative 0.26%. This 2018 founded stablecoin with flat collateral reduces price risk when dealing with blockchain assets. In essence, this cryptocurrency enables users to convert US dollars into Paxos Standard tokens. The market capitalization of Paxos Standard, which trades at around $1, exceeds $905 million. Its all-time high was $1.10 on October 15, 2018, and during the previous 30 days, it returned negative 0.04%. 12. DAI, negative 0.32%. It was introduced in 2019 and is an Ethereum-based stablecoin with a soft peg to the dollar. This cryptocurrency is controlled by a decentralized autonomous organization using a software protocol, not by a private firm. DAI has a market worth of more than $5,484 million and trades at around $1. Its all-time high was $1.14 on September 18, 2020, and during the previous 30 days, it returned negative 0.05%. 11. Celsius, negative 3%. It is an all-in-one banking and financial services platform for cryptocurrency investors that was introduced in 2018. This cryptocurrency provides incentives for cryptocurrency deposits as well as loans and wallet-style payments. The market capitalization of Celsius, which is presently trading at roughly $4.96, exceeds $1,186 million. Its all-time high was $8.02 on June 3, 2021, and during the previous 30 days, it returned negative 6%. 10. LTC, Litecoin, negative 5%. This cryptocurrency, which was introduced in 2011, uses blockchain technology to deliver quick, safe, and affordable payments. It is one of the most extensively used and well-liked cryptocurrencies. The market capitalization of Litecoin, which is presently trading at around $119.07, is more than $7,962 million. It reached an all-time high of almost $412 on January 14, 2015, and during the last 30 days, it has returned negative 7%. 9. Zilliqa, negative 21%. It was founded in 2018 and is a permissionless blockchain with the ability to process thousands of transactions per second and a better throughput. Sharding is used as a second-layer scaling technique. The market capitalization of Zilliqa, which is presently trading at $0.06127, is more than $705 million. Its all-time high was $0.2563 in May 6, 2021, and during the previous 30 days, it returned negative 18%. 8. BSV, Bitcoin SV, negative 24%. After Bitcoin Cash had a hard fork in 2018, this currency was created. SV stands for Satoshi Vision in name. This coin's main goal is to assure stability and scalability, two things that the original Bitcoin found difficult to do. PSV now trades at $123 and has a $2,304.3 million market cap. Its all-time high was $491.64 on April 16, 2021, and during the previous 30 days, it returned 0.61%. 7. NEM, XEM, negative 36%. It is a network of platforms that was established in 2014 and leverages blockchain and cryptography to provide both people and companies with solutions. This cryptocurrency operates quite similarly to how Bitcoin does. The market capitalization of NEM, which is presently trading at roughly $0.1398, exceeds $1,271 million. Its all-time high was $2.09 on January 4, 2018, and during the previous 30 days, it returned more than 29%. 6. Revane, Rev, negative 47%. It is an online platform for token evaluations that uses the Ethereum blockchain. The platform enables developers to get comments on their work. The market capitalization of Revane, which is presently trading at roughly $0.006136, exceeds $524 million. Its all-time high was $4.49 on February 18, 2018, and during the last 30 days, it has returned more than negative 23%. 5. Solana, Sol. Since the start of the year, Sol has lost about 94% of its value. The coin was trading at $172 on January 1st, but the bear market, several network failures, platform hacks, the Terra and FTX meltdowns, as well as other factors have led to a sharp decline in its price value. For instance, Sol plunged from $94.14 on May 5th to $43.91 on May 12th after the collapse of Terra. The crypto winter eventually caught up with Sol, which peaked at $36.02 on November 6. Then as a result of the FTX debacle, Sol dropped by 50% over the next 4 days, hitting $13.86 on November 10th. The intimate ties between FTX and Solana are a factor in Sol's precipitous collapse. Between December 2020 and March 2022, Alameda Research, FTX's sibling company, invested in more than 10 Solana projects. When FTX was at its peak, this connection was beneficial, but it ultimately led to its demise when SBF's empire went up in flames. 4. Metaverse tokens. The crypto winter has wreaked havoc on metaverse coins including Axie Infinity, Sandbox, and Decentraland. Mana has lost 90% of its value, while AXS and Sand are down about 93% for the year. The majority of these losses occurred in the first half of 2022 as a result of declining customer interest. The Russian-Ukraine conflict, inflation concerns, and subpar meta profitability, among other factors. If you contrast the ATHs of these tokens with their present market values, the situation becomes much worse. For instance, AXS is now trading at $6.82 while having an ATH of $165.37. Sand is now trading at $0.455 while its ATH is $8.44. Finally, while Mana is now selling at $0.31, it reached an ATH of $5.19 in November 2021. 3. Phantom or FTM. As a competitor to Ethereum, Phantom is a Layer 1 smart contract blockchain that was introduced in December 2019. The project's performance hasn't been great in 2022, with a 92% decline from the year's beginning. The majority of the value of FTM was likewise lost in H1 of 2022, much like the aforementioned metaverse tokens. The departure of the platform's senior people was a further disappointment. When the platform's CTO Andre Cronje and senior solutions architect Antonel said they were leaving the cryptocurrency industry in March 2022, the token fell by 22% in a single day. After the Terra collapse on May 12, FTM has fallen from $2.3 on January 1st to $0.26 when combined with all of H1's market commotion. Since that time, FTM has fluctuated between $0.3 and $0.2. 2. Filecoin or Phil. A decentralized cloud storage network is called Filecoin. Apps like ChainSafe Storage, Estuary, and Space Storage by Flake are built on it. These Dropbox and Google Drive rivals want to upend the cloud storage market by providing inexpensive, blockchain-powered alternatives. However, despite this grand objective, investors have sold off Filecoin like hotcakes. Each Filecoin was valued at $35.56 on January 1st. However, it has now lost 85% of its value, with each coin now only being worth $5.37. Analysts appear to be at a loss as to why Filecoin has plummeted so sharply, in contrast to some of the other currencies on this list. Late in January, it began to improve, but at the start of April, it fell once again and never recovered. In April, there was no significant incident that had an impact on the Filecoin network. Therefore, it's not evident why this currency has done so poorly in comparison to others. 1. Axie Infinity or AXS. With over 1 million active players, Axie Infinity is one of the most well-known blockchain games out there. It has NFT monsters that players can employ to join up with and compete against one another. The animals known as Axies may breed with one another to create completely original items. However, the Ronin network, which supports Axie Infinity, was breached on March 29th and $650 million worth of cryptocurrency was stolen. It was one of the biggest robberies in cryptography history. Since then, the US Treasury Department has claimed that a North Korean organization was responsible for the assault, but it has been unable to get the money back. Axie Infinity token prices were already in freefall because of the cryptocurrency meltdown when the Ronin bridge was breached. But the hack's disclosure pushed it into a complete spiral. Over the year, it decreased by 85% from $93.86 to $13.92. What do you think about this video? Let's know in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell icon to follow our channel for more crypto videos. See you next time.